Hi, Brayden. Hi. Look at your hair. It's sticking up, huh?
I love you, baby. Hey, Brayden.
Uh,
You're a good kid. Yeah.
Brayden. Hi. Hi, Brayden. Oh. Brayden. Hi.
So, how is it going? Oh, look at that, he's awake. So it's very important that you guys should burp the baby in between feedings, okay?
Oh, okay.
Even when you breastfeed, make sure before you switch,
Yeah.
you
Oh,
you
okay.
burp. Otherwise, they're gonna puke and they won't like to eat anymore, and they will be fussy. Babies will be fussy. There are only 3 reasons that they can be fussy: wet diaper, air in the stomach, and hungry. If you
Oh.
troubleshoot all of those 3, they will be good. Okay?
Oh.
Did he burp?
Oh, no, not really.
How do you know if? Because I know that
Sometimes
sound
it's
and
gonna
then.
take a while.
Oh, okay.